Okay, so today I'm going to show you the Nokia Spectrum Access Controller. This product controls the spectrum in the 3550 to 3700 megahertz. This is specifically used for the citizens broadband service. So what I'm going to show you is the capabilities of the Spectrum Access Server, typically known as SAS. We are going to show two functionalities out here. In the New York region, we are going to take out the 3550 to 36 megahertz range. So what it means is all the LTE devices that are currently operating in this frequency either need to get reassigned a different spectrum or shut down if none is available. So in the New York region, we are going to take out the 3550 to 3600 frequency, and then all the devices, we are going to show that they will get reassigned from 3600 to 3610. On the right screen out there, you will notice the top half of the screen where the devices have moved from 3550 to 3600. That's because the New York exclusion zone has kicked in. And in the Boston region, they remain unaffected because the exclusion zone in New York will not affect the Boston devices. In about less than a minute, what we are going to show you is the exclusion zone in New York will disappear, and all the devices in the New York region will get reassigned the frequency back to 3550. And as soon as the Boston exclusion zone kicks in, all the devices in the Boston region, because the entire spectrum has been taken away, they are going to go from active to idle, stop transmitting, and the frequency that will be assigned to them, we are going to show it as 0 as soon as the exclusion zone kicks in, which should be happening anytime now. Okay, there you go. So the devices in the New York region got reassigned. You saw it momentarily. It was too fast. By protocol, this entire reassignment has to be done in less than 300 seconds, and obviously it happened much faster than that. All the devices in the New York region got assigned the 3550 frequency back, and because the exclusion zone in Boston was for the entire spectrum, all the devices are now in an idle state where they're not transmitting anything because the frequency that was assigned to them was reset to 0. Thank you.